we took it اللي هو module 8. We are in module 8 lesson 1. Vertical and adjacent angles. Your page 306, 96. Okay, and today is 3 January. Now focus with me. Yesterday we talked about vertical angles, right? We said vertical angles are equal. Vertical angles are what? Equal. Yesterday we said if we have these two lines, angle 1, 2, 3, 4. Angle 1 and 3, what we call them? 1 and 3, what we call them? What we call them? Vertical angles, and they are equal. So angle 1 equal angle 3. Why? Because they are vertical. Angle 2 equal angle 4. Why? Because they are vertical. So if we have two vertical angles, then they are equal, right? Done?
Yes.
Done. Fine. Now yesterday we did example. I know. Yesterday we did example 3. Let's do the check. I will do example 3 and the check. Just to remind you the idea only. Just to remind you the idea. I will repeat example 3, okay? I will repeat example 3. Take a look to example 3. I have this figure in example 3. I have this 2x plus 2. And down here we have 130. And they want us to write and solve equation to find the value of x, right? Now this angle and this angle are what? Vertical, then they are equal. So put them equal. So 2x plus 2 equal what? 130. Now this equation we call it two-step shift and divide. Yeah, 2x equal 130 minus 2 means 2x equal 128. X equal. This is, I wrote the equation and I solve it. Yes. It's okay. Yes. Check of example 3, okay? Yeah. Check of example 3. Today, the video of yesterday is on your Classera. You can see it, okay? The video of yesterday and today will be in Classera after this period with 10 minutes, okay? Both videos of yesterday and today. So you can watch the videos as much as you can. Let's do the check of example 3. We have this figure here. Here they wrote 80 degrees. And here they wrote 2x plus 6. The two angles are what, Yarakan? Vertical. Then they are, put them equal. So 2x plus 6 equal 80. They are equal because they are vertical. Now you prepare your equation, solve it. Shift and divide, faham? Yeah. So 2x equal 80 minus 6. 2x equal divide into x will be 37. Excellent, guys. Done. Terminal vertical. Now let's take the other part, which is the adjacent angles. Yeah. Now take a look to the board to understand the adjacent angles, please. Adjacent angles. The adjacent angles share the vertex and aside. Share the vertex and aside. Look at the board to understand the adjacent angle. Adjacent, in other words, means neighbors. Means me and Abdullah now neighbors beside each other. But now we are vertical, opposite for each other. Got it? So neighbors angles beside each other. For example, if we have this figure here, I will call 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and take a look to angle 2. See angle 2? Now angle 2 with 5 vertical. Angle 2 with 3 adjacent. Angle 2 with 1. Angle 4 with 3. Angle 4 with 5. But 4 with 1 vertical. So you need to know when they are vertical and when they are adjacent. Got it? So we said the vertical angles are equal. So how about the adjacent angles? Not equal, but we need to have information so we can solve the equation. Okay? So we have common case. Look here. If we have a straight line, straight what? And we have these two angles. Look here. This angle and this angle. I'll call this 1 and I'll call this 2. 1 and 2 are what? 1 and 2, they are adjacent. They are not opposite for each other. They share the vertex. Look here. They share the vertex. صح? And a side between them, right? So, look at this angle. The blue one. What we call this angle? Yesterday we took it. We call it straight angle. We call it what? Straight angle. This is straight angle. What is the measure of the straight angle? 180 and 90 here right angle. So here we have 180 degree. So if you add angle 1 and angle 2, the answer of them should be what? If they are on a straight line. Got it? يعني تطلع الفيجر هنا. 2 and the 3 on a straight line? No. But the 2 with 1 with 6 are on what? On a straight line. So if you add 1, 2, and 6 are because يلا كملها والله. So 2 and 1 and 6 are what? Adjacent. Why? Because they are on a straight line. So if you add 2 and 1 and 6 together, the answer of them should be what? 180 degrees. Do you understand the idea? Let's take example 4. Yes. I know. Let's take example 4. Example 4. No. Example 4. They want us to know the figure in front of you. Angle 2 and angle 6. But 2 and 6 both adjacent to mean. The check of example 4, let's do it. The check, select all of the angles that are adjacent to angle 3. Angle 1, is it adjacent to angle 3? No. Angle 2, yes, but check on angle 2. Angle 3, angle 4, yes. 5 and 6, no. Done? Done. Example 5. Example 5, yeah. Look at example 5 and please focus with me. In example 5, we have this figure. Right? Here 63 degree, and here 5x degree, and here D, here B, here A, and here C. And the question said write and solve an equation to find the value of x. تحت هون معطيني measure of angle A, B, D equal 128. Right? I'm asking you now, R5x the angle. No. So we cannot
Mister, I cannot hear you.
Okay.
Mister, we can't hear you so much.
D, the whole, right? So, the angle ABD, this angle, all of it, they gave me how much?
128.
You understand it? So here, 5x plus 63 should be equal the whole. What's the whole? ABD, right? Which is 1, 2, two-step equation. Solve. Yalla, 5x equal 128 minus 5x equal 65 divide on 5 divide on 5, x will be 13. Do you understand that? Do you understand that? Good. This is
Mister?
example 5. Let's do the check after of example 5. Well, check after example 5, and it is important one. Check after example 5. We have this figure. Here we have 15 degree, and here we have 15x, right? El 15 and 15x. Look at the board or in your book. In the 15 and the 15x, we have two angles, right? Are they on a straight line? Yes, they are on a straight line. صح? So look here. The 15 and the 15x, they are on a straight line. Hey. صح? How much the measure of the red angle here? The whole. Straight, which is one of, that's why they didn't give me this information like before. Got it? And here this is not a straight line, so give me the information. But here, no need. You need to know that the measure of the whole angle is 100. Means if you add them, the answer should be, yalla, let's add them. So 15x plus 15 equal 15x equal 180. 15x equal 165. Divide on 15, divide on 15, x will be 11. Do you understand? Good boy.
Mister?
Online guys, if
Mister?
you have any questions before I continue.
Mister?
Yes, Yanajan.
Mister, you can hear me?
He can't hear me, but he can hear me. Stop. Najim, I cannot hear you. We have problem here. Thank you. Tomorrow you can ask me, guys, if you have any questions. So it's okay. Thank you. Done? Done. I will repeat the two example and the check as Saria. Now in the example, look at the example. I have this angle 5x and 63. They want the value of x. They gave me that ADB, the whole angle is how much? 128. So if you add the two small angles here, the answer will be the whole, right? You solve it. Now here, I have two adjacent angles on a straight line, means we have straight angle. So if you add the two angles here, it will be the whole angle, which is 180. Solve and find your value. Done? Done. Now let's do the apply question. The check page 400. The check page 400. Okay? Yeah, we are on the check page 400. Focus. Yeah, I have this figure here, and I have something like this, right? And they wrote for me three angles. Here, 4x minus 19, 58, 3x plus 1, and this angle they call it A, right? They said, while playing racquetball, Taya bounced the ball off the wall at the angle shown. Determine the measure of angle A. What is the measure of angle A? 3x plus 1, right? But do we know the value of x? So I can angle A? No. Look at the board. Look at the board. Now, we have three angles here. What are they? The 4x minus 19, the 58, and the 3x plus 1. The three angles are what? On a straight line, right? So the whole blue angle had how much? So if you add the three small angles, the answer should be what? Let's add them. Yeah, 4x minus 19 plus 58 plus 3x plus 1 all equal what? Why? Because they lie on a straight line. Get it? Do you understand? Now I need to simplify this equation and solve it until find the value of x, right? Keep your pencils down. Just keep your eyes on the board, please. Now how I will solve? I will combine the like term, remember? Yeah, 4x with a 3x, 7x, right? Minus 19 plus 1, minus 19 plus 1, negative 18, plus 58, plus 40, right? The three numbers, again, minus 19 plus 1, negative 18, negative 18 plus 58, plus 40. Subtract with the bigger sign. All equal what? Yeah, 7x equal 180 minus 40. 7x equal 140. Divide on 7. Divide on 7. X is 20. 140 divided 7, right? Did I finish? No. We want what? Angle A. Angle A is what? هيها angle A, صح? Is it 3x plus 1? I know x how much? 20. So replace x by to find angle A. So angle A equal 3 multiply x. X is 20, and 3 multiply 20 plus L1 equal 60 plus 1, 61 degree. Done. This is the check. Did you do the check? Don't talk, yeah. Don't talk. Yalla, do the check quickly.